Good morning and happy Friday. What's my Friday? Your Saturday, or whatever day it is you're watching this. So I am headed to, I've got to return some paint to Home Depot, and I need to pick up a tack cloth while I'm there, and then I need to run to Hobby Lobby for Donna. She's wanting me to look for some stockings for her home. I'm going over there Saturday to help her decorate for Christmas, and she's trying to like change up her color scheme because she's had the same for a while, and since she's been changing up the colors in her house, she wants to add a little more navy and maybe not so much red. So she wants some new stockings, and of course we got to get Benson one. So Buster and I are out and about early because I've got to get home and seal these bookcases, and I want to work on that mailbox if I have the time. So busy day today, and I like being busy. I love it. I don't like sitting around being bored, so I have plenty to do today, and I want to get that mailbox done so that I can take it tomorrow to her. So I don't know if it will be in this video because I'm probably gonna make a whole separate video on the mailbox, so that will be coming up very soon. So yeah, we are going to get some things done. So I just wanted to open this vlog, start out and tell y'all good morning, and again thank y'all so much for all the wonderful birthday wishes. My birthday was Thursday, the 11th of November, and it was also Veterans Day, and I did acknowledge that on my Instagram, but I did not acknowledge that in my video, and I felt so bad about it because, you know, being a military family, we understand the sacrifices and, you know, the dedication it takes, and I did not want to overlook our veterans. We are so appreciative to them. We love them, and we understand that we would not have the freedoms that we have today without such sacrifice. And I just felt really bad that I did not even acknowledge that in my video. I always kind of joke about my video about my birthday, that my birthday is a holiday and you won't even get any mail on my birthday, so that means no bills. But the real reason for that is not my birthday. It's because we take that day to honor and celebrate our veterans. So I wanted to put that out there. I know I'm a day late, but like I said, I did acknowledge it on my Instagram, but I did not acknowledge it in my video, and I felt so bad about that. And so many of y'all have told me, tell James thank you. James was not in the military. He is not a military man. However, he has raised two boys that are military men. One's still active and one has already gotten out. And his dad was military. So we love our military. We appreciate them so much. So, and then, you know, our daughter-in-law, Sam, she's in the military. She's in the Air Force. So we come from a very strong military family, but James himself was not in the military. We support it though, 100%. So thank y'all so much. But I did just want to kind of put that out there because, and he gets that question, he gets asked that, especially when we go to Lowe's or Home Depot, because they offer the discount to the military. And they're like, are you military? And we're like, no. But he does wear like the army hat, and he wears the army shirts and stuff like that, but he is not military. So just a little FYI, little piece of information. That might be a good like giveaway question one day, you never know. So store that in the back of your noggin right there and pull it back for when and if you ever need it. All right, so now I'm just gonna head to Home Depot, then we're gonna head to Hobby Lobby and get back home and get to work. So I will touch base with y'all in just a little bit. All right, let me just tell you, I don't know if I have any ladies out there that is single and looking for a man, but I'm about to hook you up with some knowledge. Now, disclaimer, this is not for me, because y'all know I have my ray of sunshine at home named James. Okay, so I am not looking, but if you are looking for a man, I would suggest that you get dressed up and you hit the hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever hardware stores are in your area, first thing in the morning when they open up, because the stores are packed with men, okay? And that tells me several things. Number one, they got a job. Number two, they got a job. So, I don't know. I mean, if y'all out there looking and the bar scene is not your thing or anything like that, and you don't want to do the Match.com or internet hookups, I would suggest you hit your local hardware stores first thing in the morning. So maybe that'll help you. I don't know. I just happened to, I was in there and I was looking around. I was looking for, I had to return some paint, and so I needed some tack cloths, and I was looking for a particular brush. And then, you know, I had to look at the Christmas stuff. But everywhere I looked, I just noticed, like, you didn't see any women. It was just men. And I'm thinking, I might need to share this information with my girlfriends in case somebody out there is single and looking for a man. So, there you go. That's your little tip of the day from me, if you would. So, no, James, it wasn't me. I'm not looking for a man. I got you, you big old ray of sunshine. So, no, it wasn't me looking. I'm helping my friends out. Now, Buster and I are headed to Hobby Lobby, and I hope they're open. They should be open. If not, they won't be long before they're open. So I'm gonna head to Hobby Lobby and check out some things for Delana. And while I'm there, I don't know if it's on sale, but I'm also gonna look for that spoon like I need for my dining room. We'll see. Anyway, I'll touch base with you in just a little bit. Tell me your daughter is spoiled without telling me your daughter is spoiled. So I walked around Hobby Lobby on FaceTime with my child, looking at everything that she wanted to see because she wouldn't come down here and go with me. I mean, I have no one to blame but myself for her being so burnt. She's burnt, y'all. Burnt. So I got her some nice things. Got some ornaments, some filler, stockings, and stuff like that for her tree. So burnt. So now that ordeal is over and I'm totally exhausted. Now I'm going home, change into my work clothes, and start sealing these cabinets, which it's not going to be that bad. It's not going to take that long, honestly. The dread of doing it is worse than what it's actually going to be, you know what I mean? So, Buster is such a good boy, y'all. He just sits in there, rides, and just looks, and he don't bark, he don't growl, he don't act aggressive or any way like negatively toward anybody. He's such a good boy. So bought me a snack while I was in there because I'm starving because I haven't eaten breakfast. Oh, there you go. Oh, acorn just hit my tree. I mean my tree, my car. Anyway, I will touch base with y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna make this trek home, so talk to y'all in a little bit. Oh my goodness, we have stray hair. Okay, so cabinet sealed. Working on the mailbox. It's pretty much done. Just gotta let it dry. I'm gonna seal it with my spray sealer. But I wanted to show y'all, get where there's not a glare, I'm sorry. I wanted to show you what I picked up for myself at Hobby Lobby today and my ideas behind it. So I picked up 4 of these. get where there's not a glare. 4 of these. These cedar branches, and they were $4.99, of course, 50% off. And my plan was, when I bought these, to use them, hold on, let me turn the camera around. I wanted to use them here. I thought about taking the fern out and putting them in the crock over here for Christmas. I'm probably gonna put my rooster up and all that. But yeah, I bought these with that in mind. Now, if something happens that I don't use them over there, then I'll find somewhere for them. They're not going to go to waste. But I love them. And they were a very good price, I thought. And they're really a huge branch. There's a lot on there. So, I picked those up. What? Did you approve? Did you approve of what I purchased at Hobby Lobby? You didn't try to stop me. I assumed it was okay. You're good. You're not getting anything. You just had a big word I'm not going to say. So let me get back to telling the people what I need to tell them, okay? So now I'm going to show y'all where I put a few of my items that I thrifted yesterday. I went ahead and displayed some of them. I don't know that they'll stay where I've put them. However, I do like it, so it might. But I'm going to turn the camera around and kind of show you what I've done with them. And you just have to let me know what you think. Ignore that. That's my little camera that I keep an eye on Buster, but I just set it there until we can get the fireplace done. That won't be there. But I put the plate, I layered it there, and then I put that little piece there, and I just thought that was so cute. And honestly, I kind of like it like that. That may very well stay. I had originally bought that plate to kind of go over here to replace some of my fall plates, but I really like it over there kind of layered. So that may stay like that, but you never know. And let me show you where I put the little chicken. I set my little chicken right here. Y'all just ignore my potatoes. I just thought it was kind of cute, a little pop of color. And I may honestly go in and leave him the color that he is, but do like antique wax over it, just kind of mute it down a little bit. I don't know. Still kind of undecided. But I just set him here for right now, and I think he's cute. Okay, y'all, this is the mailbox. Look how good it turned out. Oh my goodness, and this is just some pics I had handy that I just kind of stuck in there to kind of stage it a little bit. But look, oh my goodness. Now, let me turn it all the way around for y'all to see. Whoop. I mean, look at that. The top, and I've already put a sealer on it, but look at that. And it feels so rusty. Oh my gosh, I just love this technique. Buster, hush. So, I filmed what I did to do this mailbox, and if that's something y'all are interested in seeing, I can make a video and show y'all what I did. But, I mean, this looks like an old rusty mailbox, and it feels like an old rusty mailbox. I just love it. So I'm going to take it to her tomorrow, and we're going to use it when we decorate. And I love the way it turned out. Love it. Absolutely love it. And if you didn't know any better, I don't think you would know that it's not a real rusted vintage mailbox. So y'all just let me know in the comment section down below if that's something y'all are interested in seeing, but I love it. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Can you tell I love it? Now let me go on record and say that I do think that it would look better with more of like a vintage, you know, piece in it and not the gold and glitz and the glam I had, but that's all I had handy. And it didn't look bad. I mean, it's a way to dress it up, but what I'm going to be doing is doing more of the pine cones, the greenery. Oh, let me go get my Hobby Lobby branches that I got today and put it in there and see what that looks like. I'll be right back. I would like secure this up some way, but yes, I like that so much better with more of like the vintage vibe going on. I think that is so cute. Love it. And then like maybe put some pine cones and stuff and a bow or something like that. But love it. Yes, 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 yes. So you'll have to let me know what you think. And also, it wouldn't hurt to kind of take a baseball bat to the to the mailbox. This kind only, not the kind out by the road. That would be a federal offense, and we're not all about that. But it already had like a dent here, and I tried to play up the dent. But yeah, to even like dent it up would be awesome too. So yeah, love it. You have to let me know what you think. This is what it looks like with nothing in it. So I probably should have painted the inside of it, but I did this part and that, and I figured like there's gonna be something in there, but maybe I should have painted that like the truffle color or something. I mean, I could always go back and do that, but I mean, just even if you cut off just bits and pieces, it's just say for giggles. I mean, you know, just like weeds growing out of the mailbox. And you could wire it up and make it stay up. Oh, I just love it. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for me today. I hope y'all have enjoyed hanging out with me. I always have fun when y'all are with me. And until next time, bye, y'all.